Hello, this is Mr. Opelia once again, and I want to show you how to measure with a meter stick. I want to show you in a different way, and I want you to be looking really closely at the object and the meter stick as we do this. So I'm going to try to get this as close as I can here for you. So you would line it up at the very end of the meter stick, and you would set that at the end of the object, and then you would go out to where this point would be, and on this point it would be 16.6 centimeters. Remember, these are centimeters, the ones with the numbers, and there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So these are tenths of the whole centimeter. So as we measure like this, we go out, maybe I should do it this way, we're going to measure out from this end all the way here, and we are at 16.5 centimeters. Okay? That's one object. That's how you would measure this pencil. I am going to measure something simple again. Here is a Post-it note, and I'm going to show you how to measure. Once again, I'm at the edge of the Post-it note, and I'm going to look right here, and this comes to 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 millimeters. So that's 7.5 centimeters, because there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Okay? Now you can do this with almost any object that you would like. For the distance learners, you can practice this at home, practicing on different objects to measure. Always remember there's 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Therefore, these are tenths of a centimeter. So we would say this is 7.5 centimeters. Okay? You could also say, since there's 10 millimeters in each one of these, if you wanted to say how many millimeters there are, you could say there are 75 millimeters from this edge to this edge. Okay? So really, you're only moving the decimal point, right? So if you're moving from centimeters to millimeters, you're just moving the decimal point by 1, and it turns into 75, because these are all the power of 10. You can do other objects. You can do, here's my phone. Okay, here's my phone. And if I take my phone and I put it here, right, and I want to measure my phone, I'm going to put it on the very edge. And then I'm going to look to see how far this comes out. And on this one, it comes out to 14 centimeters. There is no points. It's exactly 14 centimeters. So this is how you measure in metric. Again, you could say how many millimeters. You just times it by 10. So we have 14, if we have 14 centimeters here, we have 140 millimeters, because each one has 10 within it. So this is just a little tutorial on how to measure with the meter stick on objects. We will be doing that more in future days, and then what we will do is also convert centimeters into millimeters and millimeters into centimeters, and so on. Okay, that's it for now. You have a great day, and try this at home.